Welcome, it's me Özlem, the export and marketing manager of Cadence. Today, in this video, we are going to talk about the Cadence fabric paints. All Cadence fabric paints are water-based and they are non-toxic. They are certified according to Euro norm 71 and CE norms, which means that you can safely use with your family and with the kids. The quality of the products are also confirmed by international rewards. By using Cadence fabric paints, you can create wonderful cushions like this, or some bags, or some tablecloths like this, according to your taste, or a bigger bag like this. All these ready textile products are also available in the Cadence range. You can buy them in white and in black, and you can color them as well. You can change your old belongings, or you can decorate or renovate your old textile as well. For example, you can make a t-shirt like this. You can change your old blouse like this. You can make a change on your jeans as well. With the Cadence fabric paints, as you can see, you can personalize all these items and it will be unique for you. By using Cadence fabric products, you can prepare wonderful backgrounds, stenciling, masking, freehand drawings, or many other techniques. In addition to Cadence fabric paints, you can also use transfers like these or some rice papers to enrich your projects. When you are working with the textile, as Cadence, we are recommending you to first wash the textile and then dry and iron it. In this way, your project will be better. Before you start to use the fabric paints, also, it is nice to wet the fabric. With a water mist, you can go all over the surface and then you can prepare the textile to absorb the paint easily. When you finish with the textile project, since the fabric paint is a mixture of pigment and glue-like binder, one day after the application, we are recommending you ironing for 5 minutes without steam from the reverse. And for the textile project, it's better to wash them in 30 or 40 centigrade degrees in a fragile washing by hand or in the washing machine. All the fabric paints are ready to use. They are odorless and they have high pigmentation, and also we are not recommending any tinning for the fabric paints. Now we can look at the all Cadence fabric paints in detail. The first product is your Fashion Shine. Your Fashion Shine is a pearlescent textile spray with a functional pump. You can create your own fashion with sparkling shimmer shades. It's a highly pigmented paint and it covers very easily. And also, it blends easily with the other colors. Non-aerosol pump can deliver a fine, consistent mist. When you are working with your Fashion Shine, we are recommending you to use the pump from a certain distance and with the quick moves to cover all the surface. If you use the pump in a shorter distance, then you are going to see some other small splashes. All the time, it's better to check the pump on a piece of paper before you are applying onto the textile. Your Fashion Shine is a metallic paint, therefore we are recommending 2 coats. Like in all other metallic paints, it's very important to shake it very well before your usage. There is only one type of packaging for your Fashion Shine, which is 100 ml. This is the color chart for the fabric paints. Here you can see the nice vivid colors of your Fashion Shine, and it has 24 vivid colors which are intermixable. For the textile sprays as Cadence, we are recommending to use Trendy Shadow Stencil collection, which is especially designed for these products. They are like a shadow. When you will apply the spray over it and when you take the stencil out, you will see the shadow on your textile. What is important when you are working with this Trendy Shadow Stencil collection, before you take out the stencil, don't forget to take out the excess paint over the stencil. In this way, the paint will not go underneath of your stencil and it will not damage your textile work. When you are using your Fashion Shine, since it's a metallic textile spray, when you finish with the project, we are recommending you to clean your pump. For the next time, you are not going to face any problem. This is a very good example for your Fashion Shine with a Trendy Shadow Stencil collection. This is also a very good sample of your Fashion Shine. The second product is your Fashion. Your Fashion is the textile spray as well. The difference of these two is one of them is pearlescent, the other one is normal opaque fabric paint. The things that I said about your Fashion Shine are valid also for your Fashion. What is good with your Fashion, you can use it as a watercolor or you can use it in the batik technique as well. It is also one type of packaging which is 100 ml, and also it has 24 colors. They are very vivid colors and all of them are intermixable as well. You can add some colors into white and you can create pastel colors as well. We are recommending to use your fashion on light color textile, and it is better to start with the light colors and then use the dark colors. This is another sample for the textile sprays. You can use your fashion and your fashion shine in the same project like this, with the Trendy Shadow Stencil collection. The third product of Cadence water-based fabric paints is the Dora Textile. Dora Textile is the fabric paint of the Dora family. It's a unique metallic paint and it has two shades in one color. It is an extremely bright paint with dazzling sparkles. This is the color chart for Dora. You can see 17 colors which are all intermixable. As you can see here, with the lights, you can see different shades in one color. Fourth product of the range is the Style Matte fabric paint. Style Matte fabric is the textile paint of the Style Matte family. This is the matte fabric paint that you can use on all types of fabrics. It is one type of packaging which is 59 ml. Here is the color chart for Style Matte. In Style Matte fabric, we have 53 colors starting from pastel colors to dark shades. Also, 4 fluorescent colors are available. And what is good with this, all the colors are intermixable and you can create your own colors. This is a good sample of Style Matte. You can prepare the backgrounds and also with some other techniques like stenciling or adding rice papers, you can have an enriched craft projects. The fifth product of the Cadence fabric paints is the Textile Crackle. Textile Crackle is two steps product and it can apply on light and dark surfaces. It's an opaque fabric paint to create cracklier look on textiles. It can be applied by brush or spatula. You can use it by free pattern or by the stencil as well. It's one type of packaging which is 150 ml. This is the step 1 and this is the step 2 and it has 8 colors. Here you can see an effect of crackle. You can use it on your bags, shoes or any other textile project. The sixth product of Cadence fabric paints is holographic fabric paint. It's a transparent fabric paint with holographic glitters inside. Holographic glitter is unique. It's like looking at a kaleidoscope of colors with shimmer and sparkling. Holographic paint shows itself in dark colors, like this one, or you can apply in other colors as well, like in that one. And it has one type of packaging, which is 50 ml. The seventh product of the Cadence fabric paints is the Glow in the Dark. The Glow in the Dark is a unique fabric paint that observes the light and glows in the dark. After a while, when the glow effect fades, it has to be recharged by the light and it will glow in the dark as it before. Before you apply the glow in the dark onto the textile, as Cadence, we are recommending you to use a similar fabric paint as the base coat, and then you can apply minimum 2 coats of glow in the dark. Glow in the Dark has one type of packaging which is 50 ml and it has 4 color options like this. The eighth and the last product of the fabric paints, Highlight Magic Metallic Fabric Paint. It's a special effect metallic fabric paint. It is designed to cover the backgrounds with light application. The highlights are practically transparent on light colors and they show themselves on the dark colors better. It has one type of packaging which is 59 ml. Here is the color chart for Highlight Metallic Fabric Paints. It has 6 color options and all of them are intermixable. And all of them look like white, but when you put them on black surfaces, you can see the colors. As you can see in the sample, the highlights can show themselves in the dark color very well. It has also Highlight Fabric Relief Paste, which is going to be explained in the Fabric Relief Paste videos. You can combine the Highlight Metallic Fabric Paint also with Fabric Highlight Metallic Relief Paste to create more dimensions on your textile projects. Now, let's pay attention to the application.